Welcome back to Auto Speed's Vibes, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we are diving deep into the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza, one of the most awaited compact SUVs of the year. Maruti Suzuki has taken a bold step forward with the new Brezza, refining its design, upgrading its features, and giving it a powertrain that makes it one of the most fuel-efficient and capable SUVs in its class. Whether you're a city driver or someone who loves long highway drives, the 2025 Brezza is built to impress. The exterior of the new Brezza has undergone a major transformation. Right at the front, the bold new grille with a piano black finish and chrome accents makes a striking first impression. The sharp LED headlamps with integrated DRLs not only add to the aggressive stance but also enhance visibility during night drives. The sculpted bumper with a wider air intake gives it a sporty and rugged look, while the new C-shaped LED fog lamps add to the premium appeal. Moving to the side profile, the 2025 Brezza now sports larger 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, giving it a more confident road presence. The high ground clearance, blacked-out roof, and dual-tone paint options further add to the stylish and youthful appeal. At the rear, the redesigned LED taillights now stretch across the tailgate, making the SUV look wider and more premium. The sporty roof spoiler and the newly designed rear bumper give it a dynamic and modern look, ensuring it stands out from the crowd. Under the hood, Maruti Suzuki has introduced a 1.5-liter K-series mild hybrid petrol engine, delivering around 110 horsepower and 138 Nm of torque. The intelligent hybrid system ensures better fuel efficiency, making it one of the most economical compact SUVs in the segment. Paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed automatic, the new Brezza promises smooth acceleration and a refined driving experience. The mild hybrid technology not only improves fuel economy but also enhances city driving by providing an extra boost of torque during acceleration. The expected mileage figures stand at an impressive 20 to 22 km/h, making it one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in India. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better stability, and the improved sound insulation ensures a quieter cabin experience. Step inside, and the 2025 Brezza welcomes you with a completely refreshed interior packed with tech and comfort features. The first thing that grabs your attention is the large 10.1-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system, which comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. The dashboard features soft-touch materials and a layered design, giving it a more premium feel. The new 7-inch digital instrument cluster provides real-time driving information, while the wireless charging pad ensures you stay connected on the go. The seats are now covered in premium leatherette upholstery with enhanced cushioning, offering both comfort and support for long drives. The rear seats come with a reclining function, making it even more comfortable for passengers. A segment-first electric sunroof adds to the airy and luxurious feel of the cabin. The automatic climate control system, rear AC vents, and ample storage spaces make it a practical choice for families. The boot space has also been optimized, providing enough room for weekend getaways or daily commuting needs. When it comes to safety, Maruti Suzuki has left no stone unturned. The 2025 Brezza is now equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility during parking. The Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS) introduce features like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision alert, making it one of the safest compact SUVs in its class. The high-strength chassis and impact-absorbing zones further enhance occupant safety, ensuring a secure ride for both the driver and passengers. Maruti Suzuki has kept the pricing competitive, making sure the Brezza remains a top choice in the compact SUV market. The base variant is expected to start around 9.5 lakh rupees, while the top-end model with all the premium features could go up to 14.5 lakh rupees. For a hybrid SUV packed with technology, safety, and efficiency, this pricing makes it an excellent value for money proposition. With rising fuel prices and increasing demand for hybrid technology, the 2025 Brezza stands out as one of the best choices for those looking for an affordable yet feature-rich compact SUV. The biggest selling point of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza is its perfect balance of efficiency, technology, and modern design. Unlike many competitors that either focus only on mileage or just on features, the new Brezza delivers the best of both worlds. Whether you're a daily commuter looking for fuel efficiency, a tech enthusiast wanting the latest connectivity features, or a family in search of a spacious and safe SUV, the Brezza ticks all the right boxes. Maruti Suzuki has once again proven why the Brezza is one of India's most loved SUVs, and this new model only strengthens its dominance in the market. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Speed's Vibes for more detailed car reviews, latest auto news, and expert insights. What are your thoughts on the new Brezza? Would you choose it over its rivals like the Hyundai Venue, Tata Nexon, or Kia Sonet? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the ride.